Get inside and stick the sword out. Da-da-da!
Dude, you don't understand. There's so many spider webs.
Oh, crap.
Oh my god, look at the size of that thing. It was so freaky looking.
What is it?
Spider, but it's like nothing I've ever seen before.
Don't get in there.
Water with me. That thing is freakish.
What does it look like?
It's like a water spider. I bet it's like been living on some crazy... Look at that.
It's moving.
Hey, what is that swimming? Look. It's right there.